Nexu's platform has three main features. We offer a product that is available to a wider spectrum of clients by using technology and data science to measure their risk in a more sophisticated way. We offer car leasing options that may include 0 pesos down payment or balloon payments. The credit feasibility is determined almost immediately through our online platform. We acquire our clients through two main channels. One is when our clients access our website, and the other one is when they go in person to one of our partner car dealerships. First, we use a simple form to gather our clients' data and request approval to download the credit bureau to verify the information provided. Nexu developed its own credit algorithms that provide real-time auto loan approvals and customized auto leasing products for different customer segments and needs. In this moment, a customer will have real-time approval response. Our main differentiation is that we use these algorithms and data science to assess the client's creditworthiness in a more comprehensive and faster manner, while banks in Mexico have more traditional approval processes that are narrow-minded and take some days. The sales team can access the client's information and adjust the financial requirements needed to be eligible for one of the products we offer. We classify our leads into different categories depending on the information provided in the simple form. We use meticulous algorithms to rank them depending on the credit risk and worthiness, as well as the potential to finalize the transaction. In order to finalize the transaction, two teams of specialists work together. Our sales team improves our conversion rate by having direct contact with the clients to answer questions or concerns they might have. Our handover analysts, on the other hand, make the necessary arrangements such as finding and purchasing the car, insuring it, getting the plates, etc. And finally, we arrange a memorable car handover. But our relationship with the customer doesn't end there. We're always available to answer questions, provide assistance, and even adjust the financing terms to better suit their needs. We aim to change the Mexican financial services industry that has lacked innovation for decades. But above all, we aim to bring a smile to our clients' faces when they see their new car.